I will also quickly explain the project steps for students who have queries. So if you come to projects, students who are undergoing project in this semester have to use this option. So here we have provided a detailed steps how this project creation works on VTU portal. So you can click on this learn more. It will give you all the detailed steps, how this option works, and what are the actions that you need to do from your end. So that is very explained in a very detailed way. I would request all the students to go through this. I'll come back to project again. I'll show you quickly how project can be created. And there is a very clear instruction. Project need to be created by team lead only. So let's take you're a team of 4 students and there will be one leader, team lead, who will be leading. Team lead is sufficient to create the project. Not necessarily all team members need to create the project. Okay, only team lead will create the project. So he will click on create project. There's a confirmation dialog that you will get. Only the team lead should create a project. Are you the team lead? If not, please request your team lead to create the project on your behalf. Okay. So if you are a team member in the project, you no need to create the project. Team lead will create it. Now let's take, they will click yes, I am the team lead. So they will get an option to create the project. I'll quickly create the project. And I will use the same text to use it here. You have to put project description here. Then you need to select domain of your project. Let's say my project is in civil domain or some kind of technology. And we need to put team size. Let's say we put there are 4 members in my team. Then I need to enter my guide details. So I put their name. Then I put my guide email ID. Then I put my guide mobile number as well. Then I need to enter my guide designation in the college. Then their specialization. So let's take they are there in BIM, for example, BIM for construction. It's their specialization. So I put that. Then project lead need to upload the synopsis file. So he has to select the project synopsis and he need to submit the projects. So once project submitted successfully, team lead will be able to see the detail of the project. And there's an option to invite team member for the team lead. Again, students, please be clear that only team lead will create the project and only team lead will upload the project synopsis. So for the whole team, there is only one project synopsis. So it's not necessary for all the team members to go and upload the synopsis. Once team lead is uploaded one synopsis, that holds good for all the team members. So team lead need to click on invite team member. He need to enter USN of the team member and he need to click invite. That invite will be sent to the team member who has to accept the invite. Okay. Once the project is created, similar like internship diary, there is a project diary where you will be able to, this will be visible to all the team members as well as for team lead. So you'll be able to select your project here and similar way you select the date on which you are working on the project. Just like internship diary, you also fill details about what you did on that project today. So this you need to do again on daily basis for the project that you are undergoing. Usually students who are not undergoing internship will be undergoing projects, so they need to use this option to enter the details. So team lead also will have an option called project team members. Here you will be able to see the list of all the team members and their status, whether they have accepted the invite, they have rejected the invite, all those details can be viewed. So dear students, this is all about project. Now I would like to tell you about one more option which university has given